Namaskar, all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. So, today I am going to explain you a new topic, that is picture reading. So, when we describe a picture, when we write about a picture, so first of all, we observe the picture carefully. We need to observe each and every detail given in the picture. We observe the place, the scene, है ना? We observe first of all the place. Then we observe the people in the picture. What are they doing in the picture? And then we describe the small details, whatever the things we see in the picture. So this way we write down the picture reading. Okay. And there should be a proper starting. Composition should be proper. There should be proper starting and ending of the picture reading. Let's learn this with the help of some pictures. Okay. So children, you can see this. This is a picture. Okay. There are so many people in this picture. There are so many things in this picture. Okay. So first of all, we should observe the picture carefully. Okay. We should observe each and everything of this picture. Okay. So first we'll see which place is it. Okay. Now, so first of all, we'll see the place. So this is a drawing room. है ना? This is a picture of a drawing room. Okay. So we can say this is the scene of a drawing room. Right? So after that, we'll notice all the things kept in the drawing room. So here we can see a big sofa, है ना? And then we can see a telephone is kept. Okay. Then a television we can see, a fish bowl, a trophy is there, wall hanging is there, and then wall clock is there. So there are so many things in this room. We can see so many things in this room. Okay. So whenever we will describe a picture, when we'll do a picture reading, first of all, we should see the place, which place is given in the picture, and then we should notice the things that are given in the picture. Then, then we can describe the people given in the picture. So in this picture, here in the picture, we can see all the family members are there. All the family members are there in the drawing room. So first of all, as you can see, a boy is sitting on the floor. So instead of saying a boy, we can give him a name. Okay. So Rohan is making a cardboard house. Okay. And some other things also we can describe about this boy, that Rohan is sitting on the floor. He is making a cardboard house, and he's using whatever the things he's using to make this cardboard house, that also we can describe about Rohan. Okay. Then we can describe father. We can describe father. As we can see in the drawing room, father is also sitting. So father is sitting on the sofa and he is reading a newspaper. Okay. Then we can describe potted plant. You can see a potted plant. So we can describe that also. Okay, there is a potted plant near the sofa. sofa. Then as we can see, there is mother also in the room. Okay, so mother is having clothes in her hand. Okay, and mother is looking at this little girl. So you can say like this, you can write like this ki mother is looking at this little girl, or you can give name to this little girl like Ria. So we can say mother is looking at Ria. Okay, now we can describe this girl also in the picture, है ना? As we have already given the name Ria. Okay, so we can say Ria is standing on the floor. Ria is standing in the room and she's trying to get the telephone. Okay, she is holding a teddy bear and there is a little puppy sitting near Ria. So in this way, you can describe the person and the things around that person. Okay, now we can also describe the things. Okay, now you can also describe there is a flower vase stand in the room, a phone is kept on the flower vase stand. Okay, and then you can describe the television, है ना? There is a television in the corner of the room. Okay, and then we can describe there is a fish bowl in the room. Okay, there are two fish in the fish bowl. Okay, so in this way we can describe each and every detail. Then there is a wall clock on the wall, right? And there is wall hanging also, you can see. Then we can describe there is a big window in the drawing room. There are beautiful curtains. Okay, you can also describe the curtains. You can see beautiful curtains here. So we can also describe the curtains, है ना, that are hanging there. Okay, so window has beautiful curtain. Okay, so in this way, each and every detail we can describe in the picture reading. Okay, and then this we can see something outside the window. There are beautiful trees outside the window, or you can say nice view can be seen outside the window. Okay, so this way, when we describe, when we write, when we do a picture reading, we need to describe each and every detail of that picture. Okay, first of all, we should see the place. We should see the place. Okay, given in the picture, which place. Okay, after that, we should see the people in the picture. What are they doing? What are they doing in the picture? And then we should we should try to describe the things in that place, around in that place, and the people, the things around the people in that picture. Okay, so now we can write down about this picture reading that this is a picture of a drawing room. Okay, all the family members are in the drawing room. Okay, and all the members are involved in their daily routine, right? And Rohan is making a cardboard house. He's sitting on the floor. He's using scissor, glue, cardboard, and many other things to decorate his cardboard house. Okay, to make his cardboard house. Father is sitting on the sofa and he's reading a newspaper. A potted plant is kept near the sofa. Okay, and mother is standing on the floor and she's looking at Ria. Ria is a naughty girl. She is trying to get the phone. Okay, there is little puppy also at home. Little puppy is sitting near Ria. Okay, there are so many things in the drawing room. Okay, there is a big television in the corner of the room. There is also a fish bowl in the room. Okay, and there is one big trophy at the corner of the room. Okay, all the family members are very happy. Okay, so this way you can describe a picture in 5 to 7 lines. So I hope children you must have understood how to describe a picture, how to describe picture in 7 to 8 lines. Okay. So keep learning, keep practicing. Okay. তো এটা pause করলো